So in Windows 11, if you want to move around files and folders, then you can easily do so by clicking and dragging. For example, if I were to go around into the tutorial folder, you can see that there are a bunch of folders right here. So if I were to go around over here and let's say if I want to move the presentation folder inside of the tutorial folder, then I can simply click and drag this, and what happens is that it goes inside, as you can see right here. If I want to move this outside, I can click and drag this and drag it back to PDF, as you can see, and it goes back to PDF, goes back to the main PDF folder, as you can see. Alternatively, you can also go around and select out files right here, right click, and then cut out the files right here. So you can see that they have been cut, as you can see. You can see that it is a bit faded. So you can go around into any folder now, right click and click paste. And what happens is that the files gets moved into this folder, as you can see right here. Another way that you can move files is you can simply go around right here, and in one of the quick access folders you can simply go around and click and drag and move it, and what happens is that it goes into this folder, as you can see inside of documents, as I moved right there, as you can see. So you can go around over here, and what you can also do is click and drag the Explorer out, and if you want to move any files to the desktop, simply click and drag it out right here, and you can see that the file got moved right here. In this case, the file, a copy of the file is being made right here because it is not being moved out onto the same drive. So sometimes for precaution, it creates a duplicate instead of moving around the original file. Another thing that you can do is you can open up another Explorer window as well. So let's say, for example, if I were to right click, I can click on open in new window, and I have another file explorer, as you can see, with another folder opened up. So what I can also do is I can click and drag around the files that you want to move into another folder, and that is how you can move from one folder to other folder as well. You can drag from desktop to the folder as well, just like this and so forth. And as you can see that you can replace the files out as well. So as you create duplicate of the file, you can see that you have an option to skip the file, compare the info for both files, and then replace, or you can go around and then replace the file in the destination itself, which overwrites the files. And that is how you can move files and folders inside of File Explorer in Microsoft Windows 11. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.